Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually showing you 3 brand new money making websites that are going to pay you out every single second. I'm going to show you live payment proof. I'm going to show you how you can use all 3 of these websites almost at the exact same time. I'm going to show you a cool strategy on how you can start to get paid out every single second, guys. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money right now. So before we even get started with today's method, I want to talk to you guys about something really quick. My audio was not really working that well. I have recorded this video once already and the audio was not really that well. So I went ahead and did 2 daily comment winners, for one for this video and one for this video as well. So here's the winners for this video. It's just my audio was not sounding too good, but I finally have fixed it. And you can see 20 minutes ago, 17 minutes ago, there was 2 winners for this video, and you can see the pictures right here on the screen right now. Thank you so much for being a part of this YouTube community. So now hopefully next video, if you want to win and be a part of the daily comment picker whenever I upload a brand new video, so you need to put in your Bitcoin address down in the comment section of this video, of this one right now, and also leave a thumbs up, guys, so you can actually get put into the next daily comment picker whenever I upload a brand new video, guys. So now let's get started with today's money making method. So here's what you're going to need, guys. You're going to need to sign up for the Faucet Pay, and this is just like off of yesterday's video, guys. So you're going to need to sign up for Faucet Pay in order to use this method. It is super easy and super fun and super quick to do, guys. You can get paid out every single second. Look at this. It says no timer, no timer, no timer, no timer, no timer, no timer, no timer. You can see I've been using this method over and over and over again. So this is a super easy method, and I'm about to show you the websites right now and how easy it is to get started with them. So the first one is going to be Doge Faucet, guys. So this is the website right here. I'm going to leave the links for all 3 of these websites down in the description of this video so you can get started right away making some money. So now this one is going to be the Doge one. So what you're going to need to do is come over here, go to deposit. So within the deposit tab, you're going to come over here, find the Doge address. So within the Doge address, you're just going to input that Doge address right here, and then you're going to click on I am human. Once you click on I am human, you're gonna have to fill out this quick little thing to verify that you are a human. So just do all the trucks really quick, and it is going to take me just a couple of more seconds or minutes than what it's going to take you guys, just because I'm making a video about it and I'm walking you through all of these steps. But I'm going to show you a cool way you can actually do this over and over again quickly, guys. So as you can see, guys, we have just got in another one. So let me show you proof that this is working. So let's go back to our dashboard real quick. Let's go all the way down here. So now look, we have the Doge one first, right? So let's do the Tron one real quick. So this is the Tron one right here, guys. My address is already right in there. So what I like to do in order to do this quickly is I like to have them all open on the same tab. So it has my address on all 3 of these websites, and then once it has your address on all 3, this one's Tron, this one is Digibyte, and this one is Doge. Let's go back to the Tron one real quick. So let's go back over here. We have Doge, Digibyte, and Tron. So now let's stick with the Tron one really quick. So I like to do this way. I am human, and I like to fill out the captchas as quickly as possible so it can actually be that 1 second, and then click on check, and then do the same one with Digibyte, and then we're gonna click on get reward all at the same time, guys. So it saves a couple of seconds or a second of time, I would say, if you know how to do this quick. And I just clicked on claim on accident. So now let me just click on claim on here as well. Let's go back to the Doge real quick. Let's do the truck category real fast. And if you can just keep on doing this over and over again, you can make a lot of cryptocurrency every single second, guys. So now you can see we have just did this again, and I have claimed my money. So now what I'm going to do is click on claim again, come back over here, claim again, come back over here, click get reward. So it will go faster. I'm just recording on this one, guys. So now what we have to do is click on claim again right there, and then once you do it all over again, guys, you can repeat this every single second. There's no timer, there's no wait time, there is nothing, guys. You just do it over and over and over and over again. Super easy. Now let me refresh the page and show you brand new inputs or brand new deposits inside of this account. So as you can see, Doge, Digibyte, Tron. So you can see it is working right here, guys. And look how much entries I have for today. 446 entries, guys. That is how much I have been using this website, this platform, just to start racking in those free cryptocurrency. And this is the simplest and easiest way you can start to make some free cryptocurrency right now with these 3 websites. And I'm going to leave the links down in the description of this video so you can get started right away making. Have you ever wanted to start up a YouTube channel without doing any of the work at all, guys? Well, I have something for you. Here is one of the YouTube channels that I have just as a test channel for you guys to check out. So I have multiple YouTube channels. I run multiple YouTube channels. I am the owner of them. I have a team that will create videos just like this one, and I'm going to leave the link to this YouTube channel down in the description of this video so you can come check out what I am talking about, guys. So this is going to be the simplest and easiest way you can start to make some money on YouTube. Look at this. So it says mind-blowing obstacle illusions. So if you come in here, guys, you can check out these YouTube videos and get an idea what my team can do for you. They're going to be creating the script, they're going to be creating the thumbnail, they're going to be creating the content inside of this information, they're going to be doing everything, the voiceover, everything that is needed to create a YouTube video. My team is going to do that for you guys. And look at all, you can do anything. You just give them a topic and they create the video. I've recently actually added in this course so you guys can check it out. It is extremely cheap at the moment, $50, but for you guys in today's video, only for a couple of hours, I'm going to be putting in a free discount code for this YouTube course to be all the way down to $25, guys. So if you want to get inside of this access, you're going to get my personal contact information, how you can start up a channel and branding, best niches to be in right now, how to get views organically, how to get views quickly, a small little trick on how you can get a lot of views and comments and stuff on your YouTube videos, and right here 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method. Now this one right here is worth it, guys. A secret method that not a lot of YouTubers actually talk to you guys about and show you, and I'm going to show you in this cheap course. And I also have another free course that you guys can check out as well. But look at this, you're going to get the team to do every single thing for you guys. They're going to be creating the thumbnails, the scripts, the voiceovers, the everything, guys, every single last thing. And all you have to do is just upload it on your YouTube channel and then just start to rack in the money on views. So guys, I'm going to leave the links down in the description of this video with all of this information so you can get started right now making some money right after you finish watching this video. So there's also this free course that's going to show you how you can start to make money with applications, passive ways, active ways, how you can actually own your own app and get traffic to it and even make money from that as well, guys. So as you can see right here, if you just come over here to this intro video, passive intro apps, Honey Game passive apps, Phonium, MC Money, Node S'mores. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.